everyone, let me start by introducing myself. I am a final year MBBS student at King George's Medical University, and you know what the time right now is? 6:31. The twist is that it's not PM, it's 6:30 AM. You know what this is like? College life is all about. You don't know what you're doing, you don't know the time, you are just doing it and you are just living it. Let me tell you a sad story of my college life. When I first entered the first year, I actually came here with just a dungaree. I'm in a medical college, यहाँ पे suits चलते हैं, so I got some 2 or 3 pieces of suit, some pajama for home, and that's it. And you know what? I messed up. I should have shopped before, because what happens in the medical colleges is for the initial 1 month, we are not allowed to go out of the college. I know someone who's a non-medico cannot relate, but this is true. Don't worry, I'm here to help you guys out with the outfits that you guys can bring to the college on the very first day. So without much ado, let's quickly get started with the video. So here are these 5 to 6 outfits which are like perfect formal, informal, casuals for your college life, and this is all that you need. So I got all these outfits from Little Box. I'll put the links in the description box. Quickly begin with the video. So the first outfit I have is this beige pleated pants. This is the formal pants, and to be honest, this is a lifesaver. Beige is a color that literally goes with everything, and it's a must have for everyone. ये black top के साथ भी जाएगी, white के साथ भी जाएगी. And the cloth quality is 9 on 10. It's very comfortable, it's relaxed from bottom, and yeah, it's a must have. You know, कभी भी randomly you have to go for the conference, you have to go for an event in the college, and you literally won't be having enough time to shop. और कभी कभार honestly पैसे भी नहीं होते, so it's better कि माँ बाप के पैसे खर्च करके पहले सब कुछ ले आओ. Now the second outfit option that I have for you all are these cargo pants. I got it for just rupees 1500. Like both of them together in a combo from Little Box is one in black and one in beige. Okay, you can never go wrong with these. Quality of the cloth is so good. They are so comfy. मैं इन्हें रात दिन पहन सकती हूँ, मैं इनको पहन के सो भी सकती हूँ. Guys, college में you will see people wearing the trendiest clothes. So definitely you cannot stay behind from your colleagues जो कि Gen Z बनने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. There are plenty of colors available on the website, but I really love these black and beige. गाइस, कॉलेज में कब बाहर जाना पड़ जाए पता नहीं चलता, और ऑलमोस्ट तुम 30 डेज में 20 दिन तो बाहर ही रहोगे. वो दीज कार्गोज आर अ बिग सेवियर. बस टी शर्ट चेंज करो या फिर फ्रेंड से बोरो कर लो एंड यू आर जस्ट डन. यू हैव अ न्यू आउटफिट फॉर योर न्यू डे थैंक्स टू मी. देन कम्स अ सेक्सी ड्रेस. आई जस्ट वेयर इट एंड शो यू गाइस. You can't come to college without a dress. हमारे कॉलेज में घुसते ही तुम्हें फ्रेशर्स मिलेगी. Then you know, depending upon the college कि तुम्हारे कॉलेज में what is allowed to wear. Like मेरे कॉलेज में तो सूट और साड़ी ही allowed था. But if you guys are from a very Gen Z college, this is just perfect. This is a short midi dress with a good frill. Look at the fabric, how pretty it is. And of course trend में हमें पीछे रहना नहीं है. So these are the strings जिसको हम bows की तरह tie करेंगे, because bows are everywhere now, right? This has got this snatched back and ये front है. The next one is this. ये क्या है? ये top है. Okay, हमने इतने सारे bottoms देख लिए basic, but इनके साथ एक आपके पास खुद का like non borrowed top खुद का होना चाहिए, ताकि आप भी किसी को borrow करने को दे सको, right? So this is a top and ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. I'm gonna wear it right now. Smartest piece I have in the wardrobe is this. This is black firstly, and it goes literally with everything. It just gives that bossy girl wala feel. I completely recommend it. It's got this ribbed fabric. This is also perfect for heavy breasted girls because सामने से ऐसे cross आता है, so you know, it just gives a layer on your breast. All this is fine, but you cannot survive in the college without a cord set. Like उसको तुम अपने special days के लिए बचा के रखना, जब सब कपड़े रिपीट करे होंगे, तब तुम्हारा एक ब्रह्मास्त्र निकलेगा एंड दैट विल बी योर कोड सेट. एंड सो आई गॉट दिस कोड सेट एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं इतना सारा शॉप करती हूँ तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे अपने भाई के लिए कुछ शॉप करना चाहिए. एंड बेसिकली माई ब्रदर हैज फिनिश्ड हिज अंडरग्रेड एंड नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू अ न्यू कॉलेज फॉर हिज पोस्ट ग्रेड. सो मैंने सोचा चलो उसे गिफ्ट किया जाए. ऑल द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स आर सेम, पैसे की कमी उसके पास भी रहती है. लुक एट हिम.
बट मेरे पैसे थोड़े खत्म थे.
To be honest, the cord set is 10 on 10. बहुत comfy है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है. ज़्यादा 5 staple outfits that I have. देखो अगर तुम्हारे पास ये 5 चीज़ें हैं then you do not need anything else. You will be literally एक साल तो तुम्हारा आराम से निकल जाएगा. That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know your favorite option out of all these outfits that I have shown you. All the links are there in the description box. And if you guys found this video really helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and see you guys in the next video. Bye.